Hey guys, this is Ajay. Welcome you all to our channel. Before starting the video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the new videos update. Guys, today I'm gonna tell about an electric bike named C1 which is made by the Lit Motors. It has already launched in some countries. This bike is packed with both car and bike features. The main feature of this bike, it will never gonna unbalance by any kind of impact. It is fully enclosed, protecting from the climate outside and fully air conditioned. It has all the comforts you expect from a car. It has also a premium sound system. It is very easy to drive and also having all the safety features like airbags, brakes and seat belt. The two-person can easily sit inside this bike. Now let's talk about its power. The C1 uses high torque hub electric motor. This motor regenerates energy while braking. It has 10 kW battery packs to travel up to 200 miles per charge, and the company also claimed to reach its 100 km in just 6 seconds. The Lit Motor C1 price around 16 lakhs. So guys, how did you like this bike? Comment below, and if you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.